This is that segment where on this show we just kind of roll out a bowl and we say this is a stock that you should buy. Last time I was here about a month ago, I said Disney's a stock that if it were to break that 120 level, that it actually gapped up above last April when they announced their new streaming service. That would be a level that I would start looking at it. Well, here it is at 113, down from 150 in the last month and a half or so. And I'd say you have to start looking at it. And one reason I thought was really interesting this week, as a result to this coronavirus, the James Bond movie got pushed out for a theatrical release.
Oh, Wilfred is current on that.
Well, I know, because we know that Josh Brown anointed him as the next James Bond. Okay, I get it. But the fact that that theatrical release was pushed out 6 months, if I'm Disney and I got Mulan and I got The Black Widow and I got all these Pixar movies coming out, I'm going to try out my new Disney Plus service and use it as a way to catch up to Netflix. So I think if this company wants to be truly innovative, they're going to figure out how to get around what's going on with some of these adverse effects of the coronavirus. And this would be a great opportunity for them to demonstrate that and flex a little bit and show what they got.
It's sort of interesting that you sort of mocked our segment here of Last Chance Trade when you actually had one of the best Last Chance Trades ever.
All right, so let's talk about the TLT. So I've been doing that on this show. I've been very fortunate to come on your show over the last few months. But to me, it just seemed like one of the most obvious trades over the last 6 months or so in a market which nothing is particularly obvious. But the fact of the matter is the Fed was not going to go hawkish. They're not going to be too much hawkish from here on out. It was an election year, and given the prospects for growth. So to me, I think that, this thing, the TLT, so it's opposite to long-term U.S. Treasury rates, has just blown out right here. I think it's gotten a little done. I think it feels panicky. I think if you're along the TLT and you're pressing U.S. Treasury yields, I think you turn that trade around a little bit, and I think you could see a snap back to 1% in the 10-year pretty soon on just things calming down a little bit.